How to achieve Dan Bilzerian beard style, step-by-step process. Brandon Bilzerian, it is true all of us are aware of this name and internet personality. He is also a gambler by profession. To begin with, let us check out the details as to how to make your beard like Dan Bilzerian. This man is largely and extensively famous because of his lavish lifestyle. Being an Instagram celebrity, his beard game is also on point. How to grow a full Dan Bilzerian beard look. If you wish to keep a full beard like that of Bilzerian's, then you have to keep in mind these Dan Bilzerian beard tips. This is an undebatable fact that you have to grow and maintain a full beard first of all. To achieve this dream look, you have to channelize your techniques. Furthermore, just make a strong commitment that you are going to grow a full beard at any cost. A full beard growth time needs practice and patience. In the initial times, a patchy beard will come. That does not mean you have to give up your dream. It is guaranteed that after a few weeks, this patchy beard will get transformed into a full beard. Eat healthy to grow a full beard like Dan Bilzerian. Most importantly, you have to improve your healthcare aspect in order to copy the full beard look of Dan Bilzerian. Avoid digging yourself into greasy food content or fat-filled burger stuff. Try to have healthier foods only. It is also explained by Dan Bilzerian that you can only expect a full and healthy beard if you are going to eat healthily. Furthermore, they have foods that are extremely rich in protein. Consume vitamins as they are going to help your body in boosting facial hair growth. Moreover, have vitamin A and beta-carotene. They will help you in improving your facial beard hair growth. Even more, have vitamin C and E. They are going to fasten the process of your hair growth. Lastly, you can have vitamin B, B5 and B6, B12 as well as biotin. These vitamins have the potential to reverse and repair your hair loss process, letting your beard grow and shaping it at the same time. Lastly, the final step to copy this Dan Bilzerian beard look. It is about letting your beard grow and also to shape it. It is important for you to determine and decide as to whether you are eligible to jump and move on the shaping bandwagon or not. However, you should only shape your beard once it gets a full beard look. If you notice that your beard and mustache are not in exact synchronization, then you can wait for more time. Most importantly, Bilzerian beard does not require any science to follow and copy it. You do not need any sort of superhuman skills to style it up. While shaping your beard, get the right tools, shaper, and trimmer. Get the right beard clipper. Most noteworthy, to perfectly copy his Bilzerian beard look, you have to set the clipper on the lowest setting option. Start to trim and shape below from your cheeks. And then you can reach to your temple. Grabbing scissors to give a chopped look to your Bilzerian full beard look. To further give a chopped look to your Bilzerian beard style, you can take help from the scissors. You have to carefully trim and shape the outer hairs of your full beard. Moreover, with the help of a regular razor, you can shave off and trim any excess hair or you can say out-of-place hairs. This is how to flaunt full and thick Bilzerian beard look. So, this is the tutorial on how to achieve Dan Bilzerian beard style, step-by-step process. Now, if you like this video then give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel or visit our website www.thekingsmanbeard.com. Also, if you want to grab a free bottle of our beard oil then just message us on our Instagram at thekingsmanbeard.